Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 65 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given 55 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is complete JavaScript course for beginner with jQuery and Ajax. In this course, you will learn the basics of JavaScript from beginner to advanced, the jQuery framework, Ajax and HTTP requests, get the external data from APIs and work with JSON format, build dynamic web application with JavaScript, the basic of front-end and web development. The cost of the course is 5,120 rupee, but using the coupon you can get it in free. These courses include 15.5 hour on-demand video, 11 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Object-Oriented Programming from Basic to Advanced. In this course, you will learn object-oriented programming, SolidWorks principle, best practice OOP architecture, exam task implementation, backend for online store, a lot of coding exercise. The course of cost is 1,200 rupees. By using the coupon, you can get it free. These courses include 4.5 hour on-demand video, 15 coding exercise, full lifetime access, extra mobile and certification completion. The next course is Microsoft SQL Server Development for Everyone. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of database design, development, and querying using Microsoft SQL Server 2017. This course is cost of 8,640 rupees. By using the coupon, you can get it in free. This course is 6 hour on-demand video, 1 article, 18 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Modern PHP Web Development, MySQL, GitHub, and Heroku. In this course, you will learn set up Apache server using XAMPP server, set up MySQL database using XAMPP server, set up PHP environment using XAMPP server, building PHP sentence, understand the role of PHP in web-based programming application, build data-driven and dynamic web application, how to manipulate data using PHP PDO, how to use Bootstrap for framework, how to use GitHub for source control, how to deploy a web application using Heroku. This course includes 12 hour on-demand video, 4 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is MySQL Database Development Mastery. In this course, you will learn the fundamental database development techniques with MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. This course includes 4.5 hour on-demand video, 1 article, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Learn to Code in Python 3 Programming Beginner to Advanced. In this course, you will learn the basic fundamentals of programming and writing computer code using Python to solve real-life problems with computer programming, work with JS and send HTTP requests to web server and APIs to get data from external service, statistics and data visualization, and introduction to machine learning in Python. Use Python to manipulate files such as Excel sheet and text file. This course is 5.5 hour on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next one is Java Collection Framework plus Generic, Lambda, and Stream API. In this course, you will learn Java Collection Framework, different collection from collection hierarchy, different container for map hierarchy real life of using collection, iterable, and iterator, hash table, binary tree based collection, functional programming with collection, generic in Java, Stream API, how to write clear and conscious code in Java with help of Lambda and Stream API while working with collection. These courses 5.5 on-demand 9 coding exercise, full lifetime access, external mobility, and certification completion. The next one is C console and Windows Form development with LinkQ and ADO.NET. In this course, you will learn to build a practical data-driven Windows Form application using LinkQ, and SQL service. This course includes 39 on-demand video, 3 articles, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is learn ASP.NET, MVC, and Entity Framework. In this course, you will learn data-driven web application, how to manipulate data using Entity Framework, how to use Bootstrap 3, the understanding of Net, MVC, application development flow, Visual Studio 2017-19, Community Edition, how to use jQuery, jQuery UI, and Ajax, how to connect and to you and use GitHub, how to manage package in a .NET project. This course is 6.5 on-demand video, 1 article, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Java from zero to first job, practical guide, 500 plus example. In this course, learn Java from scratch and become Java software engineer, basic, OOP, interview question, Git, Java collection, etc. This course is 22 hour on-demand video, 2 articles, 2 practice tests, 38 coding exercises, full lifetime access, external warranty, assigned, and certification completion. The next course is functional programming, Lambda, method, reference, stream. In this course, we will learn functional programming approach, core principle of functional programming, Lambda expression, method reference, functional programming in Java, functional interface like function by function, consumer by consumer, predicate by predicate, and other. How to write amazing code with functional programming approach in Java. Stream API. These course will do are on-demand video to coding access, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Selenium in Java, set up simple test automation framework. In this course, you will learn Selenium basic, Selenium in Java, Selenium words, page object concept, web component concept, data transfer object concept, JUnit 4 basic, JUnit 5 basic, Gradle basic. These courses in 4 hour on-demand video, 4 practices, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is JUnit 5, Mockito, PowerMock, TDD, BDD, and 8TDD. In this course, you will learn specific of JUnit 5, learn API of most popular mock framework, Mockito, JUnit 5 versus JUnit 4, advanced knowledge of PowerMock API, testing level unit and integration, how to execute test from Ellipse, text-driven development, behavior-driven development, acceptance-driven development, real-life example and review, test coding coverage. This course is 4 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is React project, build a calculator. In this course, student will learn how to use React to build a functional calculator. Student will learn to create style computer with React. Student will learn how to add functionality to React component. Student will get the better understanding of React state. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is software testing, learn with interview question and answer. In this course, you will learn a strong theoretical foundation for the software testing topic. You will discuss interview question and answer on the software testing, flowing in the course with design and based on interview question. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Python for machine learning with NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. In this course, you will learn to code with Python and how to use NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib, and Seaborn by real-time machine learning project. This course is 7 hour on-demand video, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is machine learning from basic to advanced. In this course, you will learn master machine learning on Python, make accurate prediction, making robust machine learning model, use machine learning for personal purpose, have a great intuition to make many machine learning model, know which type of machine learning model to choose for each type of problem, use scikit-learn to machine learning text, make prediction using linear regression, polynomial regression, and multiple regression, classify data using k-mean clustering, support vector machine, KNN, decision tree, Naive Bayes, etc. These courses 3 are on-demand with 30 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Git for basic to advanced practical guide for developers. In this course, you will learn Git, learn the key concept of Git, perform basic and advanced Git operation, manage branches, solve merge, config like a pro, learn how to work with Git, manage local and remote repository, manage file with Git in your file system, rebasing in Git, how to develop a software in team using Git, step through the entire Git workflow, best practice to use Git, how to keep Git history clean, real life case of using Git. This course will 3.5 on-demand video 2 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Python for Beginner course in depth. In this course, you will learn getting started Python from command line, values and data types, operation and operand, function call, write a script to general projected tasks, read the comprehend Python code, gain knowledge of in regard to general programming concepts. We use variable to store, retrieve and calculate information, data types, type conversion, function, statement and expression, mathematical function, random number, function, trigonometry function, trigonometry inverse function, CGI programming, web server configuration. These courses have an on-demand full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is Python programming beyond the basic and intermediate training. In this course, you will learn using and building iterators, block of statement scope, formatting string, using and building generator, and on regular expression, collection and container with function, creating, installing and using package, mathematics and statistics based on SQL with function, working with decoration and solving problem, a true understanding of how intermediate programming topics work behind the scene, get professional friendly and fast support in the course, question answer and any kind of problem during this course. This course in 2.5 on-demand video, 8 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is Practical Database course for beginner, 6 course in 1. In this course, you will learn easily interact with both RDMA. In this course, you will become expert in RDBMS, NoSQL database with hand practical example, exercise, MySQL, MongoDB, Redis, and more. This course in 3 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Python course for basic to advanced. In this course, you will learn Python from scratch, understanding the basic of Python language, use Spider to write the Python program, advantage of Spider over ideally learn all the Python basics such as variable, function, conditional loop, text processing, file processing, error handling, and more. This course is 7.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Wireshark packet analysis and ethical hacking core skill. In this course, you will learn how to troubleshoot network using Wireshark, capture a VoIP, OSPF, HTTP, Telnet, and many other protocols using Wireshark. Learn how to use Wireshark for ethical hacking. Improve your job prospects by adding Wireshark on your resume. Understand and interpret network protocol, hack network protocol using Kali Linux. This course in 14 hour on-demand video, 14 article, 63 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification complete. The next course you will learn Flutter and Dart to create Android and iOS app. In this course, you will learn Flutter and Dart from basic step by step, understanding all the fundamental concepts of Flutter development, master Dart and Flutter framework, build Android and iOS app using one of the programming language, become a competent, fully fledged Flutter developer, build multi-screen app using various widgets in Flutter. This course will 10 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Digital Marketing Business with My Google Business 2020. In this course, you will upgrade your digital marketing skill for a new job or career change, build online visibility in Google Map and Google Search, showcase business location on there. For those who are trying to find your Google search, grow your brand audience automatically and attract a new customer organically, attract local companies and earn good money for digital marketing job or freelancing site. Set up multiple business locations without any issue, creating a free website in minutes without any coding. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, 3 articles, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next was a Facebook ad marketing page, like and engagement for newbies. In this course, we will run Facebook ads, grow page with like Facebook. This course in 44 minutes on demand video, 10 article, full lifetime access, excel quality, and certification mission. The next was is Facebook Ads Marketing for Event Free and Paid Strategy 2020. In this course, you will learn what you have gained from running almost a 50 marketing campaign, Facebook event advertising, creating a event on your Facebook page, promoting your event organically, pay promotion to get event response, local marketing strategy, event engagement strategy to get results fast, strategy to get ticket sales to event register conversion strategy. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 12 articles, full lifetime access, excel quality, and certification ambition. The next course is Social Media Marketing 101, how to make the most of it. In this course, you will learn build an amazing income generating funnel that sells, the right way to do social media marketing, like the pros do, how to market effectively on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Then how to marketing pros to do A/B split testing on multiple their profit, how to get best result for your social media marketing. This course will do are only one video, one article, full lifetime access, excel quality, and certification completion. The next was the Facebook ad marketing for event free and paid strategy 2020. In this course, you will learn what I have gained by running almost 50 event marketing campaign, Facebook event advertising, creating an event on Facebook page, promoting an event organically, paid promotion to get event response, local marketing strategy, event engagement strategy to get result fast, the strategy to get ticket sale through event registration conversion strategy. This course in 1 hour on-demand video of 12 articles, full lifetime excel quality, and certification mission. The next was a complete guide to Pinterest and Pinterest growth 2021. In this course, you will learn explosive Pinterest account growth, drastically increase Pinterest monthly view, drive more traffic to Pinterest account, create a weekly routing for maximum growth, learn how to use instant hug traffic from Pinterest. This course in 4.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime excel quality, and certification ambition. The next was Microsoft Excel for finance, accounting, and financial analysis. In this course, you will learn Excel tips and tricks for accounting, finance, and financial analysis. Learn from the best-selling accounting instruction. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video, 8 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excel quality, and certification completion. The next course is Advanced Stock Option Trading Strategy 5-hour course, 10 hours. In this course, you will get paid upfront for executing stock option trade, the best way to structure stock option, learn butterfly, calendar spray, iron quarter, and standard stock option strategy in one course, live trading on different stock option strategy, a simple trick to know your odds of success in option trading, how to choose exactly which option contract should trade, and how to use what you have learned to create a consistent income from home. Use little known technique to create reduce at the risk of maximum profit through stock option. This course includes 10.5 on-demand video, 3 articles, 3 downloadable resources to practice test, full lifetime access, excel quality, assignment, and certification mission. The next was anti-money laundering concept, AML, KYC, and compliance. In this course, you will learn what is money laundering, process and impact of money laundering, terrorist financing, money laundering versus terrorist financing, anti-money laundering policy, AML, KYC procedure, AML, economic sanction, what a political exposed person. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, excel quality, and certification completion. The next course is Certified E-Commerce Management Professional CPD Accreditation. In this course, we will learn what is e-commerce all about. We will cover all the topics like what is it, why should we get it into today, why it is so hot, and how to does it work. How to create a business plan and legal guide for e-commerce. How to create an e-commerce website and e-commerce platform. How to promote your business, sales strategy, e-commerce, SEO, mobile SEO for e-commerce and exploring online market. Understanding your customer and e-commerce glossary. This course in 1.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access, excel quality, and certification mission. The next course is Home Business Basic Sales and Marketing Tool. In this course, you will learn marketing tool, free logo designer, Adobe Spark, This course is taught in English. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 2 article, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next was in total confidence, the pillar of unshakable confidence. In this course, you will discover the 3 secret pillars to unshakable confidence, learn the importance of having confidence, discover the step to building unshakable confidence, learn the secret language of confident people, discover how to bounce back from failure fast, learn how to stick up yourself and why it is so important, discover why friends are critical part of self-confidence, learn specific tips and practice for unshakable confidence. This course will 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next is Get Organized 101. Become your most organized self. In this course, you will discover what is the clutter effect is and how to can beat them. Easy way to end workplace clutter and boost productivity. Discover a great way to quick organize your house. Learn how to organize your life so it is the way you find out. Learn the hidden secret of organizing your mind. Learn how to need of recognize your relationship. Learn the secret of clearing your mindset of happiness. Uncover way to simplify the life for free of stress and your mind. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next was a big productivity hack, triple your productivity. In this course, you will learn discover the hidden productivity secret to top expert in the online course. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course, you will learn 6 simple steps to make money on TikTok app. In this course, you will learn simple secret to make money using your just phone plus TikTok app. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, external warranty, assignment, and certification completion. The next course is Beginning and Advanced Udemy Course Creation Unofficial. In this course, you will learn hidden secret of Udemy course creation and profit unofficial. This course is 2 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Becoming a Recruitment and Selection Specialist. In this course, you will learn understanding your selection process, recognizing the growth model, interview and question process, discovering way to retain your talent and measure growth. This course is 2 hour on-demand video, 2 hour lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Improve Your Personal Finance. In this course, you will improve your personal finance strategy, cutting corner where they are matter, learn the art of budgeting, learn budgeting basics. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Principle of Success, Growth Mindset. In this course, you will learn how to grow a set really big goal and a growth mindset. Learn the different real decisions and wishes. Discover how consistency is the key of success. Learn the nothing is impossible with the right growth mindset. Discover how to be more accountable and enjoy it. Find out how to make more advantage and help for success. Learn how to use hidden secret of how long language can you succeed. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next is Goal Setting Mastery, win at the game of life. In this course, you will understand the 10 reasons people fail at the setting goal, learn how to use properly set up your goal for massive success, discover the 6 essentials of set goal, learn how to use set goal that are clear, measurable, and have a timeline. Learn 10 most common causes of failure and learn how to beat them. Discover a specific shortcut to achieving your goal fast. Learn the secret of achieving your goal and still have balance in your life. Learn successful mindset conditioning. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next is Export Import Logistic with Global Incoterm 2020 rule. In this course, you will learn Incoterms at 2020 to solve the confusion of export, import, logistics, supply chain, and accounting. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 2 article, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Mindfulness Meditation, the pathway to wisdom and success. In this course, you will discover the mindfulness meditation can reduce your pain by 50 to 90%, how to mindfulness meditation can boost mood and elevate anxiety and depression. Learn how to use mindfulness meditation can you boost your focus dramatically. Learn how to mindfulness meditate can you improve your sexual performance. Or discover how to mindfulness meditate can you reduce stress and improve quality of life in your career. Find out the mindfulness meditation boost our immunity and overall wealth. Learn how to use mindfulness meditation can be make you stronger and more resilient. Discover how to mindfulness meditation boost creativity and product. Learn all the mindfulness meditation can be help to sleepness better and reduce muscle tension dramatically. Find out how to use mindful meditation and can be help to with past pain and nagging issues. This course in one article full life. Thanks is exam volunteer and solution completion. The next course is zero non-for-profit organization. In this course, you will learn how to set up zero from not-profit organization, how to use free resources to optimize learning, how to use category tracking to generate not-for-profit reports, how to create and use plagiarism form, how to enter and track restriction resource, how to enter month and existing entry, how to allocate expense for program and administrative category, how to record next asset release from registration, how to generate analysis, memorize and export to Excel finance report. This course you can only one article but downloadable resources full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is review and cost managerial accounting decision and scenario. In this course, you will learn managerial accounting concept, how to use relevant cost to make decision, how to apply relevant cost to make or buy decision, how to apply relevant cost to make a sales and mix decision, how to apply relevant cost of make a decision to element or decision or not, how to apply relevant cost to make money and purchase new equipment for not, how to apply relevant cost to make money to accept a special offer or not, how to set up a unit sale price using cost data. This course includes 6.5 $1 $32 services full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. QuickBook Online versus Xerox Accounting Software 2020. In this course, you will set up a QuickBook Online and Zero Accounting Software, navigate QuickBook Online and Zero Accounting Software, enter normal business transaction using accounting software, reconcile bank accounts using accounting software, generating an analysis report including a balance sheet and income statement and supporting report, export report to Excel. This course in 64 hour on demand views 10 article 10 downloadable resources full lifetime Excel warranty and certification completion. Next course is governmental accounting 200 capital project and debit service. In this course, you will learn government accounting core concept, how to record capital asset for government accounting, how to record transaction of the capital project fund, how to record transaction related to target capital project, how to create financial statement of the capital project refund, financial option including the assurance and board of capital project, how to record transaction of the rebate service fund, how to record transaction related to capital project to government wide activity, capital project fund, debate service fund and general fund. This course in 21 are on demand your 70 downloadable season full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next is not for profit accounting, charities, college and healthcare. In this course, you will learn the definition of not for profit organization, the difference between the government and not for profit and non-government. Not for profit, our primary focus is non-government, non for profit. However, how to set up a non-profit organization, regulation, taxation and performance issue related to a profit organization. Learn how to record accounting transaction related and non-profit organization with example, problem and step-by-step demonstration that include a trial balance accounting for college and university, both government and non-government. Learn accounting related to healthcare organization, both non-government and government. This course in 90 on demand even 60 downloadable is full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is partnership in income tax. In this course, you will learn how to enter tax data for partnership into form 1065, how to use tax software to of input of a form 1065, how to use Excel worksheet to support tax data input in a partnership tax return 1065, how to enter and schedule K adjustment, how to enter M-1 adjustment, how to enter review for form K-1. This course is for on demand one article, one downloadable is full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is QuickBook Enterprise Classical Responsible Accounting. In this course, you will learn responsible accounting using class tracking for both the balance sheet and profit and loss from CPA. This course is 2.5 on demand video, one downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is QuickBook Desktop versus QBO Multiple Currency. In this course, you will learn to record transaction and multiple currency using both QuickBook Online and QuickBook Desktop. This course is 17.5 on demand video for Article 13 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is English vocabulary. Learn more than 200 words for beginners. In this course, you will learn the most used vocabulary that anyone speaking English should know. This course is 1.5 on demand with 20 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is learn DNA primer design for polymer chain reaction. In this course, you will learn primary brass primer design tool, primer 3 plus, DNA primer design, PCR for beginner course. This course will have 33 minutes on demand with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is History and General Microbiology, the foundation. In this course, you will learn microbiology diploma and degree study, the shape, structure, etc. This course is 3.5 on demand with one practice test, full lifetime, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next will computer-aided drug design. In this course, you will learn the basic principle of drug design and the step to need in virtual screening, the main concept of computer-aided drug design and molecular model. This course will 3 on demand with 6 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Muscle in Magic, powerful way to build muscle strength. In this course, you will discover how to create a powerful muscle building mindset, learn how to select a muscle building supplement that really works, learn how to create a muscle building diet for maximum gain, discover how to build a powerful chest and bicep, find out the amazing shoulder and rocket hand abs, learn to stop your own negative thoughts and self-sabotage, find out the celebrity build muscles and sexy and strong, discover muscle building secret for vegan and vegetarian. This course is 1 hour on demand with one article, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is muscle building, how to work out for increase of muscle mass. In this course, you will discover how to develop a mindset of champion, how to work out to increase muscle mass, discover the power building lifestyle, find the best fitness app, discover our best supplement for boosting, find out the cardio in great for muscle building and strength, learn how to track your progress properly, learn how to prepare your diet for increased muscle mass. This course is 1 hour on demand with one article, full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Yoga for Runner. In this course, you will learn back yoga pose for runner, different variation on pose and that work on a breathing exercise that enhance your lung capacity, breathing exercise that balance your nervous system, different yoga sequence for regular practice. This course is 2 hours on demand with 4 articles, 2 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next is the memory technique course. In this course, you will learn the proven memory expert techniques that will change your life. This course is 2.5 on demand with 1 article, 12 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Adobe Premiere Pro CC Essential Video Editing 0 to Hero. In this course, you will learn video editing course for beginner and YouTube, Facebook, Instagram video editing masterclass basic to advanced. This course is 4.5 on demand with 2 articles, 3 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next is Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Messenger ads limit course. This course is 25 hours on demand video, 26 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next is the art of doing, dive into Android development with Kotlin. In this course, you will learn how to create your own Android application using Android Studio and Kotlin programming language, how to test and upload an application on your physical emulated device, how to design app layout using linear and constant layout, how to binding your object to improve your project, how to implement navigation to and fragment into your application to a dynamic app, how to implement view model and live data. We will create 6 full-fledged applications as well as many more. This course is 16.5 on demand with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next one is learn how to build an online dictionary with Django. This course is 14 minutes on demand with 4 articles, 1 downloadable with full lifetime access, Excel warranty, and certification completion. The next course is B2B lead generation, B2B sale with LinkedIn cold email. In this course, you will learn use lead generation tool for unlimited email address, lead generation script to connect with people on LinkedIn, get the script to email, autoresponder on the follow-up your cold email, learn to nurture your cold lead and warm them up high ticket sale, boost B2B sale on by setting up retargeting ads. This course in 6 hours, 6 article 25 downloadable uses full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification. The next course is Linux command line terminal basic for beginner. In this course, you will have introduction to Linux command line. This course is 3.5 on demand way of 2 downloadable uses full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification. All the courses are given in description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.